Here we are going to show you how to mount a safety net. You will need the following additional special tools. Either a WEBNET swaging tool Type 2 for flat presses or a battery-powered swaging tool for hexagonal swaging from the connector sleeve. Install the net as shown before. If necessary, consult the video with the basic installation instructions. The perimeter rope is always 1 diameter thicker than the cable used in the net. The main difference during installation of the safety net is the way in which the ends of the perimeter rope need to be fastened. Now thread the rope ends in the last 2 sleeves. Pull the perimeter rope as much as possible for the net to be well tensioned. Swage them so that the net does not lose its tension. Thread the 2 rope ends in the WEBNET sleeve and swage it. Then bring up the connection sleeves at the cable ends and swage them each 3 times with the WEBNET swaging tool Type 2 or with the battery-powered swaging tool. Cut off the rope ends. Perimeter ropes for security nets must be joined in this way for technical reasons. You can find further information and assembly instructions at jakob.com.